I just received in mail this morning this little box containing a plastic model kit from a company called Evemodel. It's an O scale, small building. So I browsed wish.com and I found this kit. And it was quite cheap actually, around $30 including shipping from China. So I just had to try to see what it was, because for an O-scale kit $30 is pretty much nothing. So let's open it and see what we have. Assembly instructions. That's nice. With a parts list and a step-by-step instruction. Yes. In English, German and Chinese, not to be so bold. So let's open this bag and see what we have. All the parts are in this Ziploc bag, containing another Ziploc bag, and the first part we have is a roof that is injection molded in one piece. Quite nice actually. One part for the porch roof, the railing, very nice. Foundation for the porch. Gables, very nice detail. Ventilator, stone foundation. And then we have the side walls. These are a bit unsightly. These are probably the fasteners for the rain gutters. I think I will redo them a little bit nicer when I build the kit. But otherwise very nice. Let's open this little bag and see what we have. Ooh. Pre-cut glass for all the windows. Very nice. The dormers. Let's see now. Here we have a roof. That fit very nice together. Yeah, that's quite impressive actually. That looks good. The other dormer, the roof, the rain spouts, some steps, yeah, fits actually perfectly. And these are, yeah, there are some holes here. These are the edge reinforcements to square the building up and make it easier to assemble. That's really nice. And then there's some groove here, which, yeah. So this building will be quite easy to assemble. Let's see if the windows fit all right. We take one there. And, oh yes. That's actually a perfect fit. which makes it much easier to get a nice result, because I want to paint the walls and the windows separately and then assemble them. You see it's the same groove here, and has, yeah. This is very, very impressive for such a affordable kit. I will get back with another video when I have started the assembly of the kit and give some more pointers of how good it actually is when it's assembled. So thanks for watching for now. Goodbye.